glucose, fructose, maltose, etc. General molecular formula for carbohydrate is CnH2ON. Composition of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 1. Carbohydrate is the composition of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. C is to H is to O. Functional groups present include hydroxyl groups. Next, what are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are the most abundant of all the organic compounds in nature. Carbohydrates can be considered as the hydrates of carbon. In plants, energy from the sun is used to convert carbon dioxide and water into the carbohydrates glucose. They serve as the major source of chemical energy of living organisms. Example, sugar and starch. About 65% of the foods in our diet consist of carbohydrates. Each day, we utilize carbohydrates in food such as bread, pasta, potato, rice. During digestion and cellular metabolism, carbohydrates are converted into glucose. Here we see the sources of carbohydrates: fat, oil and sweet, meat, poultry, fish, eggs, milk, yogurt and cheese. Fruits and vegetables, bread, cereal, rice and pasta. We see the classification of carbohydrates. Classification. Carbohydrates can be divided into three major classes depending on the number of sugar units. Monosaccharides. Mono means one. It contains only one saccharide unit. Oligosaccharide. Oligo means few. Contain 2 to 10 monosaccharide unit. Polysaccharide. Poly means many. Contain more than 10 monosaccharide unit. Each major classes is further divided into many subclasses as given below. Carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is subdivided into sugar, non-sugar, sugar are simple carbohydrates, non-sugar are complex carbohydrate. Simple carbohydrate can be divided into monosaccharides and oligosaccharides. Monosaccharides can be divided into aldose and keto sugar, aldotrioses, tetrosis, pentosis, exosis, etc. Ketotrioses, tetrosis, pentosis, exosis, etc. Oligosaccharides can be divided into di, tri, tetra, penta, etc. Polysaccharides can be divided into two: homopolysaccharide and heteropolysaccharide. Monosaccharides. Mono means one. It has only one saccharide unit. They are also called as simple sugar and they have low molecular weight. They are polyhydroxy containing aldehyde or keto group. They cannot be hydrolyzed further into simple sugar because it has only one carbon atom. Monosaccharides can be classified into two ways: number of carbon atom based on functional group present aldehyde group or keto group. Monosaccharides. Subclasses: triosis, tetrosis, pentosis, exosis. Carbon atom 3, 4, 5 and 6. Example: aldose sugar and keto sugar. Triosis, glyceraldehyde, dihydroxyacetone. Tetrosis, erythrose, erythrolysis. Pentosis, ribose, ribulose. Exosis, glucose and fructose. Monosaccharides. Monosaccharide contain 6 carbon atoms. Molecular formula C6H12O6. Glucose, energy source of cells. Glucose is the instant energy for all living organisms. Fructose, sugar in fruit. Galactose, sugar in milk. Glucose, the essential energy sources for all body functions. Other name dextrose and blood sugar. Glucose is the instant energy for all human beings. Fructose, The sweetest of all sugars occurs naturally in fruits and honey. It is called as the fruit sugar. Galactose binds with glucose to form sugar in milk is lactose. Once absorbed by the body, galactose is converted into glucose to provide energy quickly. Glucose is otherwise called as dextrose blood sugar. Fructose, ribulose are fruit sugar. Oligosaccharides. Oligosaccharides consist of short chain of 2 to 10 monosaccharide units joined together by glycosidic linkage. The general molecular formula is CnH2O N-O. Already we say that oligo means few. Subclasses. Disaccharides. 2 monosaccharide units combined by glycosidic linkage. Trisaccharides, tetrasaccharides, pentasaccharides. Example, lactose maltose for disaccharide, raffinose for trisaccharide, stachyose for tetrasaccharide, verbascose for pentasaccharides. Disaccharides are the most important common oligosaccharides. Disaccharide, maltose, malt sugar, glucose, glycosidic linkage with glucose is maltose. Sucrose, table sugar, glucose, linkage with fructose. Lactose, milk sugar, glucose, linkage with galactose to bind lactose. Lactose is synthesized in mammalian gland and it present in milk. Alternative name milk sugar. It serves as a nutrient, especially infants. Maltose. It is present in germinating seeds and malt. Alternative name malt sugar. It serves as a nutrient. Sucrose. It is present in sugarcane, pineapple, carrot, potatoes and honey. Alternative name table sugar or cane sugar. It serves as a nutrient and sweetening agent. In day-to-day life, we use white sugar from the sucrose. Polysaccharides. They consist of long chain of more than 10 monosaccharide unit. They have high molecular weight compounds and they are not in soluble water and they are not sweet. Other monosaccharide and oligosaccharides are sweet sugar. Polysaccharides are not sweet sugar. Their general molecular formula is C6H10O5. N. Alternative name glycans. Subclasses. They are subdivided into two types depending on whether they contain same or different type of sugar or their derivatives. Homopolysaccharide and heteropolysaccharide. Polysaccharides, starch, glycogen, cellulose are the example. Homopolysaccharide. If a polysaccharide is made up of only same type of monosaccharide, alternative name homoglycans. Starch, dextrin, dextran, cellulose, inulin are the example of homopolysaccharides. Starch. It is present in cereals, wheat, rice, potato, legumes and other vegetables. It is the major carbohydrate present in food. It is the storage form of carbohydrate in plants. Storage form of carbohydrate in plants is starch. Next, glycogen. It is the reserve carbohydrates in liver and muscles of animal and human being. Alternative name animal starch. In plants, starch. In animal, glycogen is the storage of food. Is the storage form of carbohydrates in humans and animals. Its abnormal metabolism leads to glycogen storage disease, von Grich disease. If the patient affected by von Grich disease, they appear like that. It causes an abnormal large abdomen due to accumulation of glycogen in the liver. It is mortally caused in infants. Cellulose. Cellulose is the chief constituent of the fibrous parts of plant. Cellulose has no nutrient value in humans. It is not indigestible by human. As dietary fiber, it protects from colon cancer. Commercially, it is used in the manufacturing of paper, cotton, explosive, photographic film, etc. Heteropolysaccharide. Polysaccharides containing different sugars or their derivatives are called heteropolysaccharides. Other name heteroglycans. Examples mucopolysaccharide. Mucopolysaccharide. It is a group of heteropolysaccharide and they are mucus substance. They are the components of proteoglycans and containing repeating units. Alternative name glycosaminoglycans GAG. General function. Ground substance in connective tissue, lubricant and shock absorbent in joint. Example, several types of mucosal polysaccharides have been isolated. Thank you. Sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Number of sugar units, sir. Based on sugar units, sir. 3, sir. Mono, oligosaccharides, and polysaccharides. 1 carbon, 1 sugar unit, sir. 2 to 10, sir. More than 10, sir. Die, sir. Sir, I have subdivided into oligosaccharides into dietri, sir. 2 to 10. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good morning. We are discuss about factors affecting enzyme activity. Factors affecting enzymatic activities. Water, hydrogen ion concentration, pH, concentration of substrate. Okay, sir. Good morning. Discuss about factors affecting. Good morning. We are discuss about factors affecting enzymatic activity. Factors affecting enzymatic activity. Water, hydrogen ion concentration pH, concentration of substrate, concentration of enzyme, inhibitors, accumulation of end products, effect of activators, effect of light and radiation. Fact, temperature. Enzymes are sensitive to temperature. Optimum temperature is 25 to 40. Low temperature enzymes are inactive. High temperature enzymes are denatured. Water. Enzyme activity is suppressed in the absence of water. In dry seeds, the enzymes are almost inactive. Hydrogen ion concentration. pH. Different enzymes have different optimum pH. Some enzymes prefer acidic pH for optimum activity. Example pepsin. pH 1.2 to 1.8. Some enzymes prefer alkaline pH for optimum activity. Example trypsin pH 8.6 to 8.8. Some enzymes prefer neutral pH for optimum activity. Example amylase pH 6.8. Substrate concentration. Increase in the substrate concentration increases the activity of the enzyme until all the active sites of the enzyme molecule are saturated with the substrate. After this saturation, the rate of enzymatic reaction becomes steady. Then the addition of the substrate will not have a positive effect on the velocity of reaction. Concentration of enzyme. Rate of reaction is directly proportional to concentration of enzymes. When pH, temperature, substrate, concentration, etc. are constant. Clinical application. Determination of enzyme concentration for diagnosis of inborn errors in metabolism. Accumulation of end products. The end product accumulation retards the enzymatic activity. The active sites of the enzyme becomes crowded with the products. Thus the substrate thus, thus the substrate molecules will have comparatively lesser chance of combining with the active sites. Inhibitors. Inhibitors in the reaction can inhibit enzymatic activity. Enzyme activators or chemical compounds that increases a velocity of enzymatic reaction. Their actions are opposite to the effect of enzyme inhibitors. Among activators, we can find ions, small organic molecules, as well as peptides, proteins, and lipids. Effects on the eyes. Ultraviolet light like infrared or penetrating radiation, can also cause cataract of the eyelids, a condition characterized by denaturation protein in the fibrous cells forming the lens. Thank you. Sir,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Good morning to all. My topic is phospholipids. Phospholipids. These are complex or compound lipids containing phosphoric acid in addition to fatty acid, nitrogen bases, and alcohol. These are two classes of phospholipids: glycerophospholipids and syncophospholipids. Glycerophospholipids is containing glycerol as the alcohol, and the syncophospholipids containing syncosine as the alcohol. First, glycerophospholipids. They are the major lipids that occur in biological membrane. They consist of glycerol 3-phosphate, esterified as the C1 and C2 with fatty acids. Example, phosphatidic acid. This is the simplest phospholipids and does not occur in good concentration in tissues, and it is an intermediate in the synthesis of TAG and the phospholipids. Lecithins. These are the most abundant group of phospholipids in the cell membrane. Chemically, lecithin is an phosphatidic acid with a choline as a base. Cephalins. Ethanolamine is the nitrogen bases present in the cephalins. Phosphatidylinositol. Inositol is attached to phosphatidic acid to give P1. This is the important concentration of important component of the cell membranes. The action of certain hormones is mediated through P1. Plasmalogens. When fatty acid is attached by their linkage at C1 of glycerol in glycerophospholipids, the resultant compound is plasmalogen. Cardiolipin. It was first isolated from the heart muscles. It consists of two muscles of phosphatidic acid held by an addition glycerol through phosphate group, an important component of inner mitochondrial membrane. Zingomyelin. Zingosine is attached by an amide linkages to fatty acid to produce ceramide. They are the important constituents of myelin and are found in good quantity in brain and nerve tissues. Ceramide act as a second messenger by regulation programmed cell death. A ceramide containing 30 carbon fatty acid is a major component of skin and it is regulates skin water permeability. Functions of phospholipids. In association with proteins, phospholipids from the structural component of membranes act and regulate membrane permeability. Phospholipids in the mitochondria maintain the conformation of electron transport chain components and thus cellular respiration. They participate in the absorption of the fats from the intestine. They are essential for the synthesis of different lipoproteins and their participation in transport of lipids. They prevent accumulation of fat in liver. They participate in the transport of cholesterol and thus help in the removal of cholesterol from the body. They act as surfactants. Cephalins participates in the blood clotting. Phosphatidyl ionositol is the source of second messenger that involved in the action of the hormones. Thank you. How many types? There are two types of phospholipids, sir. Glycerophospholipids and the syncophospholipids. These phospholipids containing glycerol as the alcohol. These type of phospholipids containing syncosine as the alcohol. Yes, sir. Okay. For phosphatidic acid and lecithins, cephalins, phosphatidyl inositol. These are the major examples. Sir. Syncophospholipids. 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 Syncophospholipid example, syngomyelin. Syngomyelin. Then sir, I refer in the Google, so okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good morning, one and all. I am Vivek from OT and AT. Today we are discussing about the classification of proteins. First, I am telling about a small introduction about proteins. Protein name is derived from a Greek word protons, which means the first of supreme. Proteins are extremely complicated and nitrogenous molecules made up of variable number of amino acids residues joined to each other by a specific covalent bond called peptides. 20 amino acids which have been found to occur in all proteins known as standard amino acids. Why are proteins important to us? Proteins make up about 50% of mass of average person. Enzymes act as a biological catalyst. Strong and transport hemoglobin. Defense antibiotics. Hormones insulin. Ligaments and arteries mainly formed by essential proteins. Okay. Muscle protein in muscles respond to nerve impulse by changing the packing of their molecules. Hair, nail, and skin protein keratin as main component. Levels in protein structure. Majority of proteins are compact and highly convolvent molecules. Each polypeptide assumes as at least 3 levels of structural organization termed as primary, secondary, and tertiary structure. Proteins which possess more than one polypeptide chain in their molecules also possess a fourth structure called quaternary structure. Chemistry of protein structure. Structures primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. Process assemble, folding, packing, interaction. First, primary structure. The sequence of amino acids residues along the peptide is called the primary structure of the peptide. It also includes the determination of the number of amino acid residues in a peptide chain. Shows whether the peptide chain is open, cyclic, or branched. Primary structure is linear, ordered, and one-dimensional. Written from amino end to carboxyl 1 end, that is N to C. Number 2, secondary structure. Primary structure shows the peptide and coil strengthening and extent. X-ray diffraction of protein crystals show the polypeptide chain end to two-wise or coil up to themselves. The folding of polypeptide chain into specific coiled structure held together by H bond is called secondary structure of proteins. Secondary structure may take one or the following more: alpha helix, beta plated sheath, loop or coiled conformation, super secondary motif. Alpha helix. It is a clockwise rod-like spherical shape formed by intra-chain hydrogen bonding between C double bond O group of each amino acid and NH2 group. There is present 4 residues ahead. Protein have greater strength and elasticity, can easily be stretched due to tight coiling. Beta plated sheath. 5 to 10 amino acid in the structure link up side by side just like a sheet of coil. Cloth can be folded again and again. Hydrogen bond present between the peptide strands that is interstant. This form is fully expanded and can be further structured, and they are in elasticity. Loop of coil conformation. Present mainly in globular proteins. Connect to alpha helix or beta helix. Beta sheet present in those areas whether bend is required. Super secondary motif present in globular proteins. This structure formed when two beta plate sheets are connected to each other by a alpha helix. For example, beta alpha beta super secondary motif. Tertiary structure. The tertiary structure means the over, overall conformation of polypeptide. Myoglobin chain is when fully extended, its length is 20 times than its width. X-ray diffraction shows that its structure is just like a football, that is globular. The globular structure is due to folding and refolding. Quaternary structure. Formed by those proteins have more than one peptide chain subunit. Each peptide have its own primary, secondary, and tertiary structure. The number and arrangement of the overall structure of the peptide subunit is called quaternary structure. For example, structure of hemoglobin. Classification based on shape. Depending upon the axial ratio, the protein is classified into two types: globular protein, fibrous protein. First, fibrous protein. Axial ratio more than 10, long treated like molecules. Their helical strands mainly form fibers. These proteins are insoluble in water, form structure of tissue present whether support is required. Example: collagen, elastin, keratin. Then globular protein. Axial ratio less than 10, spherical or ovoid in shape. Enzymes are mostly globular in shape, subdivided into two type proteins: albumins, water soluble, globulins, soluble in dilute salt solution. Classification based on function. Catalyst protein. These are enzymes which may be simple or conjugated. Alkaline phosphate, allyl transferase. Regulatory or hormonal proteins. Many proteins and peptides act as hormones. Insulin, growth hormone. Structural proteins contribute to the structure of the tissue. Collagen, elastin. Transport proteins. Several to carry substances. Transfer carry ions. Hemoglobin carry oxygen. Immune protein. Several in defense mechanism. Immunoglobulin IgG, IgA, IgM, IgD, IgE. Chondrocytal protein. Take part in muscle contraction. Actin, myosin. Genetic proteins. Proteins present in combination with the nucleic acid. Example: histone protein. Strong protein. To store protein. Storage protein. To store proteins for nutritional purpose. Case in the milk, gliadin in wheat. Thank you.